Hey guys, what's going on? We're loaded up once again. We're heading out kayaking. Got old timer here, OJ, with us. Got Avian and Dave. Gonna load these things in the water. Let's get kayaking. Dude, that's a nice one.
It is a nice one.
In the boat. Let's go. Boys and girls, gold bling bleacher once again. Look at that tank. Yes, sir. That's my PB Smalley right there. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Can we please have another?
I got a big one on. Yeah.
You can always use your voice, Dave.
Yeah. No, it's not a big one, but it felt bigger than that.
No, he's sitting over there taking a nap.
Huh?
You look like it.
Laying all through here.
There you go.
Pretty.
Yeah, it is. GoPro stop recording.
He come back and nailed it again after he left it go.
Come on.
Oh, that snapped.
Where's my tip? That's all I care.
That's strong 4-pound test, I'm just saying.
To listen to it. That shit snaps.
Mm-hmm. Dave, you might as well GoPro stop recording. You might as well just keep your GoPro on. And then you won't catch any.
Yep.
Green. I knew that was going to work too.
There you go.
Small.
Good Smalley. They're in this hole. Ooh, shit, scared it.
Over there taking a nap. You look like it.
Laying all through here.
There you go.
Pretty.
Yeah, it is. Just a kayak, didn't break anything. Nice.
Yeah, I just missed one too.
Oh, number 2. That's on that Helgermite. Funky chicken. Don't want to lose my rod in the water. Here we go. Another one. Thank you, sir. Can I have another? Later, buddy. All I did was let it sink. Oh, fish in the boat. There we go. Nice little smallie. Thank you, sir. Can I have another? All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. We had a fantastic time, as always. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, TikTok, and here on YouTube. Boys are coming in, finishing up. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We love you. We'll see you next time.